Community Center Association.
Beautiful.
Everybody's having a good time today?
Everybody's having a good time.
Wow. I'm glad to be here myself. What a great day.
If I have to walk, I won't get there the same. I'm going to the city, and the city I know. And the praise with a man home, it lives on. Oh, hang up my horse, and roll on.
While you were all having lunch, the accounting firm of Dewey, Cheatham, and Howe did go through the audience and took a bite. And the vice president of the community center is standing by the bike now. So, Mark, if you point the bike out.
What's he doing about a bike?
Walter's bike. Where's Walter?
Nice.
The winning motor vehicle this year is the yellow tea bucket.
Woo!
The yellow tea bucket, Tommy.
Woo, Chris!
Right behind you.
Woo!